Good morning. I'm back here with another project. This morning I'm building a chicken tractor. Let me explain what I'm gonna do and then we'll go from here. This is the box that my son and I built the other day, and we have just retrofitted it so these chickens can be in here, but obviously this is way too small for them. I've got to build something bigger, and then we'll put color bond roofing. I've been promised for the last, I don't know, 5 days that the color bond roofing will be here. I've paid for it months ago. They promised me yesterday that it's gonna be here today, so I'm hoping by the time I build the frames and whatnot, it's gonna be here. So once those broiler chickens get out, these little guys are gonna go into their spot. I've been following Joel Salatin for a long time now, and I've got a couple of his books that I read, and basically I'm gonna do something similar to his chicken tractor. His chicken tractor is 3.6 long by 3 meter wide, and as for him, he said he can fit 75 chickens. 75 chickens, he is giving them 0.144 square meters per chicken in the box. My 25 chickens, so if I change the design a little bit around, 2.5 meters by 1.5 meter gives me 26 chickens. I've got 25 chickens. Now, he uses them all the time. My one, I'll be using them maybe twice a year. So I want to change the design, maybe build a little door on the side of it so I can use it for the other chickens, that I can take them around and let them out. But we'll see where it gets us. So that's the plan for this morning. Let's build this chicken tractor. For the height, I'll be using this chicken water that I have. It needs about 75 centimeters high. So that's gonna be my height. On his, it says 61 centimeter height. I've got that one a bit lower there with a smaller water, which I'll leave in there, and then I'll transfer this big water into the new chicken tractor. It meant holds more water for more chickens, for bigger chickens. So that's what I'm gonna use, and that's what I'm gonna work my design around. It is much easier and quicker like this. So as I've been showing before, everything is just coming together just the same way. This will be the back, so I'll just put a brace in the middle that will be covered by the color bond roofing. Then the front will have the mesh. My mesh is 1 meter wide, So what I'll do is I'll put a brace on a meter length, and then on the other bit I'll make a door. So I'll have a door at the front. The back, same thing, first third or 1 meter from the top will be the mesh, and then the rest will be cut. So I'll be putting a brace here and probably another one in the middle. Do that for both sides, and that's it. I've assembled everything, it's nice and easy. I'm gonna put it together now, and then I'll see. I won't put any mesh on it yet. I want to see if I need to brace it up somewhere where it moves, so it's nice and sturdy, because obviously this is all coming out of my head as I go. There's no plans for it. I've put these braces in. I'll do another one on the other side and then mirror image everything. But first I'm gonna go have a coffee and I'll come back. This is what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna put the mesh around, put the top hinges, everything, and call it a day, as I didn't get my collarbone roofing yet. Oh well, it is what it is. I found these corner braces, so I've put them in all corners, top and bottom. I don't know, maybe it's gonna do something, maybe it's not, I don't know. Doesn't look like it's doing much, but maybe it is. It's working out well. All I have to do is the roof now. Just one roof, and then I've got to wait for the collarbone. I think the chickens will enjoy it and have it good here. I'm trying for them to have the best life. Obviously they'll have to have one bad day, but it is what it is. Guys, this is it. I've done everything that I could for now. All I have to do is wait for this color bond for the sheet roofing, and then I can finish that, put some wheels on this, and get my chicken tractor going. I'm thinking of putting a roost bars across, so the chickens, if I use it for laying hens, I can get them to sleep there and put some beds, put some nests in there for them. Why not use it as a dual purpose if I can? Maybe it's a little bit high, or higher than what I'd like, but I'm happy with it. All I have to do is pick up my tools, get rid of the rubbish, and then I can continue with the project another day. Dobro. Good morning. I've been waiting for 2 days for the guys to come and bring me my roofing, but nothing, so I went and ahead and bought some on my own. What I have decided is I'm gonna put cross braces on these corners onto these 2 doors, just to make them a bit sturdy. They're a bit flimsy, just to sturdy them up. But before I do that, I'm gonna take that in the back. We're gonna set it up so I don't have to carry everything with the sheets and everything on there. So let's do it. This is what I've got done. I've got all the sides finished. I have to figure out how I put these wheels on in the back. Obviously I want to make something that I can raise and lower it. And then I've got to finish the roof. What I will do is I'll get the chickens from that small box and put them in here, so they have a little bit more space now. It's not going to disturb them, but that I'm gonna be doing the roof on the side and stuff, so I like them to have a bit more space. What I did is I've actually nailed every single one just to make sure this hole becomes a bit smaller, so I don't get a weasel or something in there. Just an extra precaution, I guess. All right, this is it for now. I'm happy that they're outside. They have plenty of room. They're gonna go down onto the grass in a minute as soon as I finish this, but I reckon this quality meat I can't buy anywhere here in Croatia. So I'm really happy about them having plenty of space and of course me getting some healthy meat. Right, now I can continue on the lid and then we'll think of the wheels. This is safe enough for now. I'm gonna go home, have some dinner and coffee, and maybe the boys will want to come and join me in doing this, so I'll see you when I come back. I'm done. I've put these wheels, pivoting wheels, so I can lift the back, and all I have to do is just lift the front a little bit and move them. This is how it works. My chicken tractor is finally finished. It is 9 p.m. at the moment and I'm honestly done with work. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as well, and I hope to see you in the next one. And maybe if you want some better plans or some measurements for the chicken tractor, I can make another video, but we'll see if there's enough people asking for it. Bye.